What are the implications of China's position as the largest importer of oil and natural gas in the world? How does this external dependence on energy highlight the challenges China faces in ensuring its energy security and independence? How does reliance on imported energy sources affect a nation's economy, foreign policy, and long-term sustainability? Why is China's rapid modernization and economic growth both a positive and a negative factor in its energy consumption? How does China's increasing energy demand reflect the success of its modernization efforts, and how does it also highlight the vulnerability that comes with such rapid development? Can Davis Zurns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? What does this dependency on energy imports suggest about the balance between economic growth and energy security? How is energy security linked to a nation's sustainable development, and why is it a critical issue for China's economy and society? What are the potential risks associated with energy insecurity, and how might these risks affect China's future development? How do energy security and national independence factor into global discussions about energy policy and international relations? In what ways is the energy problem not only related to a country's economic and social development but also to its geopolitical strategy? How do energy security concerns shape a country's policies and actions on the global stage, and why is this especially important for a country like China with such high energy demands? What steps can nations take to ensure that their energy needs are met without relying too heavily on external sources? How does energy independence correlate with national security, and what challenges arise when a country is heavily dependent on imported energy sources? How might China's energy imports influence its foreign policy decisions, trade relations, and political alliances? What are the broader global consequences of a nation being highly dependent on external energy sources, and how does this affect international cooperation on energy issues? Why is the energy problem considered a matter of both economic sustainability and national security, and how do these concerns intersect in a globalized world? How can energy security and independence be achieved in a world where traditional energy resources are finite and rapidly depleting? How might this issue of energy dependence and sustainability evolve as new energy sources, such as renewables and alternative technologies, come into play in the future? What can be done to address the energy problem on a global scale, and how should countries like China navigate the balance between economic development, energy security, and environmental sustainability? How can the lessons learned from countries' energy consumption patterns help guide future energy policies and international cooperation in securing a sustainable and secure energy future?